I think one of the most frustrating things that we can do as swim coaches is give swimmers a descending set and then provide no accountability or a lack of accountability for swimmers to actually do the descend. And it's so frustrating because we have no control over their decision making. We want to empower them, but this set is a great tool to try to incentivize doing a full descend from 1 to 5. So for this set, we would do something like 2200s. And it's going to be broken up in chunks of 5 200s where we're starting at a speed and then we descend from 1 to 5. And let's say on the first one, Elmer Fudd is going to go a 220 00. And when you're doing the data entry, you want to do it so that there are no colons or periods. We're not manipulating any data. We're just plugging it in and checking to see if one number is less than another. So we don't need to include any formatting. So it'll automatically format it to have appear like a time. And then what we want swimmers to do is we want them to descend, but we want each sequential descend to be more attractive than the previous one. So if Elmer were to go a 2:17:90, he's going to get 1 point. If he were to descend again from this 2:17:90, so he goes a 2:15:90, he got 2 points. So now his score is up to 3. If he were to do it again, he's going to do it 2:13:0. He got 3 more points. And then if he does it again, he gets 4 points. So he can have a total of 10. So let's say on the next set, so number 6 is a baseline again. He doesn't have to descend again. So let's say he goes a 2:20 again. If he goes 2:17 and then he doesn't descend and he goes 2:18, he gets 1 point for his 2:17, and then when he goes again and descends, he still only gets 1 point. So he got 1 point for this one, and then his streak ended, and he gets 1 point for this one. And then if he were to do it again, he gets another point, or 2 points, because he descended twice in a row. So over here, we have a leaderboard that does not include the average time. So we can calculate the average time for each one of our swimmers. But over here, the leaderboard is only indicating the swimmers with the highest score. So even though Elmer Fudd only completed half the set, he still was 8th out of a total of 12 swimmers because he reached that full multiplier in the first round. So it just becomes more and more attractive, and swimmers don't want to lose their multiplier. They don't want to lose their compounding points because of one poor 200. So they're held accountable, and they want to do this over and over again.